My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. As you are well aware that we are disclosing the persecutions by the Muslims as the rogue ideology of the Christians. So now we will see some aspect of the persecution of the Christian by the Muslims according to their rogue ideology, which was incepted by Muhammad, so-called a certified rogue person, the killer, the rapist, and the dreadful terrorist. And the teaching of the Muhammad, this is why is a terrorism, and Islam is a perfect terrorism, and a true Muslim is a perfect terrorist. So persecution by Muslims, as usual, Islam is the same cult which always destroyed the humanity instead of human services, as per the violent and fanatic doctrine of the Quran. At the time of Arab Islamic countries, the mid 7th century AD, the population dominated by Christians. Majority countries of Arab, Iraq, Turkey, Armenia, and in Africa, Sudan, Tunisia, Morocco, Libya, and Algeria as people of the book. Christians were damaged states, means the filthy people, according to Islam, along with Jews and many local religion, which was the inferior to the status of the Muslims. Christians thus forced the discrimination by Muslims. They were denied for the promotion of the Christians or the proselytizing. The spread of Christianity was the death penalty to the Christians. They were banned for keeping arms and pay jizya and the kharaj taxes and heavy ransom also. In these circumstances, Christians were converted into Islam due to unable pay tax. Christians were compelled to surrender their children to Muslim in household as slaves, where they were forced conversion Islam. This was the promotion of forceful killer Islam. Umayyad Caliphate, according to the Hanafi school of the Sharia, the testimony of non-Muslims such as Christians was not considered valid against the testimony of a Muslim, so many conditions were imposed on Christians. Islamic law forbade Muslim women from marrying Christian men, but Muslim men were permitted to marry Christian women. Christians under Islamic rule had the right to convert to Islam, but a murtad or an apostate from Islam faced severe penalties or even had which conclude the penalty in the Umayyad al-Andalus, the Liberian Peninsula. The killing of 48 Christians were related by as a Hagia group of the eulogy of the Cordoba. The martyrs of the Cordoba were executed in the emirate of the Cordoba. A monk on the Mount Olympus, known only for Synaxian of the Constantinople and the other Synaxian collection of the brief letter of the priest or the nobleman known as the Synaxian. In the region of Leo III, the Isurian 717 and 741 AD, he was mutilated by rhinotomy and has burnt Germanus first of Constantinople, son of the Patricios Justinine, a courier of the Emperor Hercules, which was born in 610 and died in 641 AD, having been castrated and enrolled in the cathedral clergy of Hagia Sophia in the Spain, I think, Hagia Sophia in the Constantine or the Turkey. When his father was executed in 689 AD, was later bishop of the Cyzicus and the patriarch or Constantinople from 715 to 730 AD in the kingdom of Leo. 717 and 741 AD, Germanus was deposed and banished, dying in exile at Platinium Leo III. Also exiled the Mark John, the Secatis second Iconodule to Chazon, where he remained until after the emperor's death. According only Synaxian of the Constantinople, the clerics Hippolytus and the Andrew from the Thracian Thema were during the persecution of Leo III brought to the capital, jailed and tortured. The Synaxian claimed they had themselves of burnt cones applied to their heads, subjected to other torments, and then dragged through the Byzantine street to their public execution in the area of city's seventh hole, the so-called Byzantine in Greek hill near the forum of Arcadias, Andrew of Crete, Archbishop, was beaten and impressed in the Constantine poll after having debated with the iconoclast Emperor Constantine, possible as 767 or 768, and not only then abused by the Byzantine as he was dragged out in the street of the city. Having defeated and killed the Emperor Nicephorus, the first Bulgarian Emperor Khan Krum also put to death a number of Roman soldiers who refused to renounce Christianity. In 87 3 AD, Bulgarian invaded the Thema of Theras, led by Krum, and the city of Adrianople was captured. The Byzantine monk Macaries of the Felicate monastery in Bithynia have already refused an inviolable position of the code offered by the iconoclast Emperor Leox the Khazar. In return for the repudiation of the icon, dualism was expelled from the monastery by Leo II, the Armenian, who was imprisoned and exiled him in spring 816 AD. The Constantine Paul Latex Mark Athanasius of Paul Patrian was tortured and exiled also for his iconophilism, a religious custom, by the Emperor Leo V, having been appointed Hagomenkis of the Cathera monastery in Bithynia by the Emperor Nicephorus. First Zone of Cathara was exiled and took in jail, first in Pendadactyon stronghold in Phrygia, a city of Asian Turkey, and then in the fort of the Kritoros in the Bucelarian Thelma, a military civilian province in northern Asia Minor, modern Turkey. Asterios of the Agros, a monk, and Hagomenicus. This is the title for head of the church, and head of the covert of the nun is called Hegemonia or the Jumenia of most terrestrial Jacos near Piru Asiment Olympias in Bithynia. The bishop E. Thymenius of the Sardis was the victim of the several iconoclast Christians persecutees. E. Thymenius was exiled by Nicephorus and again exiled to Thassos in 1814 Anno Domini. So such type of the evidence who created a fear in Christians by Romans and the Muslims. Abbasid Caliphate was a Muslim caliph. These are the less tolerant of the Christianity. Then had been Umayyad Caliph. The writing of Al-Zahiz was an Arab prose writer and author of work of literature. Ibn al-Nadim lists 140 titles attributed to Al-Zahaz attacked Christians for being too prosperous, and the indicates they were able to ignore even restrictions placed on them by the state. Elias of the Heliopolis in the late 9th century, the Patriarch of Jerusalem, Theodosius, wrote to his colleague, the Patriarch of Constantinople, Ignatius, that they are just and apostasy is no wrong, nor show us any violence. Elias of Heliopolis to Damascus was accused of apostasy from Christianity after attending a party held by a Muslim in Arab and was forced to flee Damascus of his hometown after 8 years, where he was imprisoned by the Ifera rule of the jurisdiction, probably the jurist Al-Lath ibn Sa'd, after refusing convert into Islam. He was brought to Damascus, emir and relative of Caliph al-Mahdi, who promised good treatment if Elias would convert. But repeated refusal, Elias was beheaded and his body burned in Damascus and thrown in the river Chrysoros in 7079. Anno Domini, according to Synaxian of the Constantine, the hegemonious Michael of Ziba and 36 monks were killed by Muslims in Sebastia. The pre-praetor was the emir of Hugairania Alim, probably Ali ibn Suleiman, an Abbasid governor who raided Roman territory in 785 AD. A Christian was beheaded in 787 AD. The Bacchus family of Bacchus was converted to Islam, but Bacchus still was crypto-Christian, means hiding the Christianity among the dresses of the Muslim or the Islamic Gundaism. During the 10th century phase was the Arab-Byzantine War. Victorian over the Romans over the Arab resulted to sympathize with the Roman state. Fatimid Caliphate, Khalifa-e-Hakim BMR Allah was between 996 to 900 1921, and Domini was engaged in persecution Christian by Muslims until cruel. Al-Hakim mother was Christian, and even though persecution was continued up to 104 to 114, the Caliph legalization the confiscate ecclesiastical property and burned crosses. Later he ordered small mosques be built atop churches' roofs, and later he ordered the all churches to be burnt. More than 30,000 churches were burnt due to only insane doctrine of Islam. In 1009 AD, the Caliph ordered the demolition of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre grave in Jerusalem on the pretext that annual holy fire miracle on Easter was a fake. This persecution of the Christian by Al-Hakim and the demolition of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre prompted Pope Sergius IV to issue a call for soldiers to expel the Muslims from the Holy Land. While European Christians were engaged in persecution of Muslims, Jews after 10,050 AD, pilgrims brought home news of how the rise of Turks and their conflict with Eusebius increased the persecution of Christian pilgrimage. In 10,013 AD, Emperor Basil II, 1960-1025, Christians were given to leave the Fatimid kingdom. In 1017 AD, Al-Hakim ordered tolerance regarding Christians and Jews to return all property of churches and property of the Christians. In 1027 AD, Constantine IV concluded a treaty with Salih ibn Mirdas, the emir of Aleppo, Morocco, allowing repairing the churches and permitted the Christian forced to convert to Islam. Under Al-Hakim, to return to Christianity treaty was cancelled in 1036 AD, but actual building of the shrine began only in the later 1040 AD under the Emperor Constantine IX. Monoechos, according to Nasir Khusra and the Al-Hamadi, Christians were largely in central Holy Land. So this is the persecution of the Christian by the Muslims. And Islam is a rogue ideology who always persecuted the non-Muslims on the basis of that they are not the Muslims. They are not following the falsehood of the Allah, falsehood of the self-proclaimed messenger of Allah, falsehood of the Quranic verses and the Gunism of the Quranic verses and the criminology of the Quranic verses. So this is why every who is the intelligent person cannot be a Muslim. A stupid, a rapist, a killer, and a certified criminal can be a true Muslim according to the Quranic verses. Because the Quranic verses is total, is the criminology. The Islam is a filthy book, and the so-called Prophet Muhammad also a filthy man, who was the rogue person, who was the rascal who created the nuisance only to launch or incepted the Islam in the name of the Allah. The Allah is a rogue ideology which is known as the teaching of the Muhammad Islam. Allah is never was. This is the fraud which was facilitated by the Muhammad or was created by the Muhammad. Only his vested interest to fulfill the lust of Muhammad and his companions of the lust of wealth. And this is why He was so lustful that he intercourse with the 9 years old woman Aisha bint Abu Bakr when he was 54 years. This is the real exposure of the Islam, that the so-called Prophet Muhammad was a certified mentally disturbed person or the rogue personality of this world, even more cruel or brutal than the Hitler. If Hitler can be beaten by the shoes, then why the Muhammad and his ideology cannot be beaten by the shoes, or why the Quran cannot be fired or burned down by the non-Muslims? And we must do it because we made a Kafir international army to conclude the Islamic Gunism in this era in the 5 years only. Thank you very much.